shopping spree. Okay, so let's take all of this off because I'm gonna do shopping spree today. And yes. Okay, so let's start with clothes. It's my first time having 100 Robux. I'm legit. Effie, baby China cup. I'm gonna try to make my avatar beautiful. 5 Robux.
Kaya yun ang, kaya ini-inform ko ngayon yung mga, kanina lang sinabi, ngayon lang in-announce, sa meeting. Katatapos lang kasi ng meeting nila na-apply siya.
Okay. My cousin gave me 100 Robux and I'm really super thankful. Thank you, Ellie. Gamer of Ellie, thank you. Okay. So, I think it's good. I don't know. I don't wanna have bad choices.
Basta kung halimbawa, kung may marunong mag-call sa inyo, yun. Ini-inform ko naman kayo kasi makapagla kayo sa presyo pagkakawa. Lahat yan. Pero di ba,
okay, don't mind if I the background noises. My dad is talking to someone.
Si Aymar?
At the phone. Okay guys, so wait because I'm literally doing shopping spree and I can't even pick one shirt. Okay, so wait. You know what guys? Let's just go to the hair section. This or this? Oh my gosh. Guys. What's this so expensive? It's just $35.
Kung naman, basta yun ang in-inform lang kita. Kung naman.
I make the hair first. I'm doing hair shopping spree.
Ang magiging check mo na nasa kwan kulang-kulang 11,000 naman yan lahat.
Okay, I purchased it as have 65 Robux. Okay, guys, I have no idea what fits and what doesn't fit. Because I'm actually bad at this.
Dahil hindi nila siya mahanap. Ako na ang punteriya nila. Ng tatay mo.
Oh my god, what's happening?
Paano kung totoo nga?
Trust me, Catherine. Mas pipiliin kong protektahan ka. Mas pipiliin kong
I don't know, actually. Okay, so let's... Okay, I'm gonna come back again.